Here's how to create pages for your site. So one of these tabs is Pages, and I have the home page. That's the one that is there by default, and that's my home page. To add more pages, I click this little plus button down here. So let's say I want to make one on life cycle, and maybe I'll make one on environment. Notice each one is copying the header from my home page. I can of course adjust that stuff later. So I've got lifecycle, environment, and then let's say I want to make some, actually let me just show you what these look like. So right now I've got home, lifecycle, and environment. If I go to preview, I can click between these different pages that I've created, and I can see what that looks like also on a cell phone. It goes into this little drop down, and then I can choose the other items. Okay, now I'm going to add subpages. So let's say under life cycle, I'm going to have, let's say, birth. And now birth goes in as its own, but I want it to be under life cycle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it, and I can move it. I'm going to move it into life cycle. Now it goes under life cycle, right? Let's add another one so we can make that really clear. So let's say adolescence. And same thing, I can drag it. Now if I add it under life or into life cycle, it goes within this category. And I can rearrange these as I see fit. So let's say I want environment to come before. I can drag it once I get this blue line between home and life cycle. That's going to place it in between home and life cycle. And let's go back to our preview. Show you what that looks like. So now life cycle has subpages that are underneath that particular group.